lionesses lead the chase. Others race to cut off possible escape routes. The giraffe has the speed and stamina to outrun the pride. But it's being chased into a trap. Up ahead, the lead female waits. It's now up to her. Most lion hunts end in failure.